guys, can you multiply 89 multiplied by 78 without using a calculator? Sounds tough, right? Not anymore. Today, I am going to explain a simple Vedic math trick to multiply any two-digit number in a fraction of seconds. Dive in. Let us see the steps. We have three steps in this. First step is multiply the rightmost digits. Right answer, then place only unit digit. If you have carry, you should send to the step 2. Then multiply the middle digits crosswise and add them together. Step 3, multiply the leftmost digits. Let's apply the steps. So, let's start with a simple basic example. 21 multiplied by 41. Multiply the rightmost digits. Right? See, 1 ones are 1. Place it here. Then, step 2, multiplies clockwise. 2 ones are 2. Then, 4 ones are 4. Add them together. 4 plus 2, 6. So, place here. Then, multiply leftmost digit. 4 twos are 8. So 8, 6, 1. So how cool, right? Let's try something bigger. 62 multiplied by 46. Then as usual follow these three steps only. So first multiply the rightmost digits. So rightmost digit is 2 and 6. 2 6 are 12. So here we have a 2-digit number. Place unit digit. Remaining carry you can write here. Right? Then multiplies crosswise. 6 6 are 36. Then 4 twos are 8. Add them together. 36 plus 9 is 45. Then place a unit digit. This 4 will be carried. So you can take to the next step. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. That's our answer. Here you just need to remember x along with multiplying rightmost digit, multiplying leftmost digit. So you will get the answer easily, right? Let's level up now. So multiply 89 and 78. Follow the same three steps, right? Step 1, multiply the rightmost digits. Means this. 8 9s are 72. So we should place only unit digit and remaining we will take to carry, right? Yes. 8 8s are 64. So right here and 9 7s are 63. Right here add together. 60 plus 60, 120, 127. 127 plus 7 is 134. So, place only unit digit, remaining 13 is carry. So, carry to here. Then 8 sevens are 56, 56 plus 10, 66, 66 plus 3, 69. So, 6972 is our answer. Easy, right? You just did it in seconds without using a traditional method. If you found this trick is mind-blowing, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more Vedic math like this. See you in the next video. Till then, keep calculating and keep shining.